everyone, my name is Deepthi. Welcome to my channel, a place where you can learn at your own pace.
Let us look at the present scenario, a rather tough situation we all are into. So, there is a possibility that the IELTS examiner would ask you some questions pertaining to the current scenario. So, let us learn some words that fit into this pandemic. Let us look at the first word, pandemic. What is the meaning of this word? It means a disease that breaks out not only across a wide geographical area, but it has an impact on lots and lots and lots of people. So, if you want to use it in a sentence, you may say, the pandemic has completely transformed our lives. Our next word is epidemic. Epidemic also refers to outbreak of a disease, but in epidemic the disease spreads in a particular geographical area or community or region. Impact of an epidemic is not as big as an impact of a pandemic. In fact, a pandemic is an epidemic that spreads over multiple countries or continents. So, for COVID spread, the ideal word to use is a pandemic, not an epidemic. Our next word is outbreak. Outbreak refers to a sudden rise in the number of reported cases. It can also be a sudden rise in the number of harmful organisms that can be seen in our environment. So, how do we use it in a sentence? We can say that after the outbreak of COVID 19, India also saw an outbreak of locusts. Fomite is one of the words that has become popular during this pandemic. What does fomite mean? Fomite is any object that can be infected or contaminated with infectious organisms, and it may lead to transmission of the disease. Usually, fomites are found at public places, and some of them can also be available at places which we frequently use. For example, the lift button could act as a fomite. Even the door handle of a grocery store may act as a fomite. So, how do we use it in a sentence? An important strategy that we can adopt to stop being contaminated even when we are at public places is to avoid using fomites or avoid touching fomites directly. If it is impossible to avoid touching a fomite, we should use a hand sanitizer. Another word which has become very popular during this pandemic is quarantine. Quarantine is a kind of isolation that is done due to medical reasons, and it is important to avoid the spread of the disease. You can use it in a sentence in the following way: the infected people are put into quarantine so that they may not spread the disease. Or, during the pandemic, many hotels were converted into quarantine stations. Other words that have become popular during the pandemic are symptomatic and asymptomatic. Symptomatic refers to people who show symptoms of a particular disease. In case of COVID 19, an infected person who is symptomatic would show signs such as fever, cough, tiredness. A person who is infected but does not show any such symptoms is known as an asymptomatic individual. Now, how do we use it in a statement? In recent tests, it was identified that many people who were infected and tested positive were asymptomatic. Another word that has gained popularity in recent months is social distancing. Social distancing means that we keep a safe space between individuals in public places. We can use it in a sentence in the following way: in cities where social distance was maintained, the spread of the disease was lower as compared to the cities where social distance was not maintained. Let us look at the next words, infectious and contagious. Though these two terms are very commonly used, how to use it in an English sentence may sometimes be difficult. So let us understand how we can do that. Infectious or contagious, these two words are adjectives. The common thing about these two words is both of them end in OUS. Now, any word that ends in OUS is an adjective. OUS is a suffix that means full of something. So let us look at another set of words that end in OUS. Prosperous, full of prosperity. Chivalrous, full of chivalry. Courageous, full of courage. Gregarious, full of company. Hilarious, full of amusement. Humorous, full of humor. So when we look at the word infectious, it means full of infection, and the word contagious means full of contamination. So let us see how can we use them in statements. These days while traveling abroad, it is important to get yourself checked for infectious diseases. The contagious virus spread like wildfire. Contagious is a word that can be used in other reference also. For example, if you want to say, his smile is contagious, which means if you see him smiling, you would reciprocate.
We will meet soon with the next video. Until then, happy learning and keep evolving. If you like my videos, you may want to subscribe to my channel so that you can keep getting more updates.
For more updates, you may also want to contact us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.